Alright, we're in the elevator. Just gonna be doing some walking this morning. It's gonna be like a walking talk, I guess you can call it now. But, just a casual day. Every day. We go to look at the river and walk down that way. Alright, so let's go. Good morning. Beautiful morning.
Oh.
Yeah, cool.
Cool?
Yeah, just cool, that's all, not cold.
So you will change your shoes?
Yeah, I might have to put my other runners on. These ones here are good, but it doesn't. And it's kind of not great for walking.
Oh, wow, it's
Or,
still cool, hon. Oh, my jacket.
yeah.
We start there.
Yeah. Here. Be the vlogger for a bit.
Sun, where's the sun?
There. This one should be good. What's that?
Screen.
You can go up this way, honey. Or it's so hard for you. You want to go down?
That's for him. He don't know how to fix.
That's an alarm. Alarm system going off there. There's the alarm.
Do you think he's on the owner?
Yeah. Alright, so talk of the day now is if there's any questions you guys have, questions of the day you got. Well, definitely the ice is gone now, so it's flowing good. Not like before. There was a lot of ice piling up, jamming up and all that. Down that way, north. And the reason why it's cold right now, we're getting the north wind. It's coming from the north. And the reason why we're going now, the wife figures that it's gonna get hot later. If we go like maybe noontime or something like that, it'll be too hot to go out. But right now is perfect time. It's cool. So that's where that's at.
What's that in my ear?
Oh. There's some birds down there.
Say too, you're under building house.
Oh yeah, there's encampment over there, guys. Down over there. That's for the homeless people.
Yeah, then build a house on.
Yeah, that
It's a house.
yeah, you can build a house there. I don't know whose property that is though. It must be I don't know, it's pretty close to the water, so it's flood zone. So nobody wants to build a house on flood zone area. Okay, this is how it looks now. See, just a little bit of ice there, that's about it. Big board over there, or wood, going down the river.
Oh my God, I think that is cold.
Huh?
It's cold.
Yeah. Alright, back to the river here. Yeah, there is some snow still there. But looks good, it's all flowing nicely. Where it should be. Yeah, so today is Friday. I believe it's the 11th, I think, of May. 9 o'clock in the morning. And just going for a little walk. Get some little bit of fresh air, plus some vitamin C, or D, I mean. And the wife needs to get her exercise as well. She's being cooped up in the house, aren't you? You're cooped up in the house for a while?
What the fuck?
Like laying around, not doing nothing, staying in the house, getting healed from your surgery. So now she's feeling a little better. Not 100% yet, but a little better. Nice flag up there. Go Canada, go! Yeah. At our apartment we can't do that. We can't put flags up or anything. Anything on your window. So it is, I guess. That's the rule. Probably rule number 1. Yeah, I hear a plane up there somewhere. It's coming. Must be going for a trip.
Did you see?
Yeah, it's up there somewhere.
The cloud. It's a blue sky.
Yeah. Oh, sunglasses. Yeah, I was in my truck. I should have picked up my sunglasses. Yeah. Oh well. Here we got clouds. It's not too bad. And there's Mark's over there. Mark's warehouse. Dollarama. Sawbuys. Or Sobeys. I call it Sawbuys because I want to go in and look at the prices. Everything's so high. Right? That's how it is nowadays.
Our later hand the grass will grow, yeah?
Yeah. Later, it'll grow, yeah. You gotta put that sod back down, probably.
Huh?
Maybe you gotta put more sod or that stuff. And this is artificial. Must be artificial, yeah.
Yeah, they will put
Yeah.
artificial grass like
Yeah.
this, but
Grass,
it will
yeah.
grow.
Eventually, they marked this all off here. I know it must be danger area.
As long as we can finish that line, we will come down.
Yeah. There's a lot of ice up there chunked up at the shoreline. And that blue building way yonder, that's where my wife went to the hospital. Got her surgery done. But she's feeling a little better now. Just have to get some walking going on here and eat the right food that you need for nutrients. And get a little bit of vitamin D. There's a look at all that ice there. Yeah. You want to go over here?
No, there's a chunk ice. There's no wood.
The what?
There's no wood in the sides. Look
No.
at that.
No, there's no trail.
There's
Yeah, there is. Way back over there.
no.
There's one over there that goes over here.
Go there and then
Yeah.
we just-
Okay, I'll meet you on the other side.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go take a tour over here, guys. I'll show you this point. There's a big log over there flowing down the river. Yeah, all the ice here, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm showing them. See all over here. This place you can have sit down if you want, and also eat your lunch, whatever. Come down here, relax. Fishing, most likely. People putting graffiti or whatever. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? All that ice here. I'm gonna climb all the way up here. They put a stake over there. How far is it gone? Stakes. Stick line. Yeah, so that's what's happening right now here in Fort McMurray, Alberta, Canada. We are still Canada, guys. Look at that, how big is this? That's pretty thick. Not thick, guys. Yeah. Very thick. I don't want to go that way. Might fall. We're facing the wind now, so it's gonna be hard to hear. Maybe I'm not too sure. I'll talk a little louder than normal because we've got the wind facing the wind now. This is still kind of mushy. That's about it. Easy to walk on, soft. It's like you're walking up in the tundra. But no, up there must be kind of rocky, lots of rock terrain. Alright, just catch up there. In the Philippines. Wow, lots of garbage. You gotta pick all this up eventually. Oh, look at that cart. There's a cart here, honey. I could push you back home. Oh, somebody left their shirt here. Must have been too hot. Decided to leave the shirt. Oh, yeah, a lot of ice here as well. They're about 4 inches thick right now, that ice. It's melting. It's about 4 inches thick, like that. See, about that thick.
Oh, let's go. Here, water.
Okay.
Water break.
Water break. Oh yeah, they got an overpass. This is all what do you call it? Canadian Tire right there, over this little hump, or this berm.
Why the burn here, hot?
No, that's what that one's called. I think a berm.
No, what I mean the burn that one. This one, because
No.
this one have so many.
Oh yeah, back in the day. Yeah.
Back in the day, no, before winter. This one is lots of
Bush?
that? Yeah.
Oh, they must have cut it then. Yeah.
I'm still tired.
Slow down.
Yeah.
Don't walk too fast. Anyway, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
My wife is not like other Filipinas that like to love to be on camera.
There's no energy.
So right now she has no energy to talk. But yeah, she doesn't like coming on cam. So it's just like only me talking, pretty much. Anyway, so
Back now, there's no way going there.
yeah.
I think that's a ship here.
Yeah. All right, we're heading back up this way, where it's gonna be a little colder, I guess you can say. Then coming south. We are moving north now. Going north. So that should be coming up soon. And
Oh, there's a plane. Right there, guys. Look at that. Yeah, it's going up to Fort Chip. Hi! And there's a jet above that. Wow. You probably see us, I know. You are being vlogged. People in the world can see you. Yeah, that's the direction to go in Fort Chip. Fort McMurray Aviation. Anyway, that's a nice plane to fly in. If you've seen from my other, I did some flight simulator stuff, so you can take a look at that. And you using the plane like that, similar bush plane. And it's a beaver, I think it's called. Havla, something like that. I don't know the correct word. Anyway, so it's been a while since I did some flying on flight simulator, live streaming on that. Kind of left that for a bit. And they do have some new ones coming up. I think there's 25 or 24, 25. That's good. Yeah, so I might go into that one. And you can actually start a career with that one once you get on. And like you're actually working, build points, and money, I guess you can call it. Not real money, fake money. But it's nevertheless, it's about getting to the next career path, like say flying a jet or something like that. And 747s like that. And then eventually, who knows, you can go to the moon. So the news today is still the same, and they're saying now the Hana virus, how's it called? Hana or something? Anyway, somebody could correct me if they could. Anyway, they're going to be leaving the ship after so much months, so they're quarantined while they're here, so that's good. And whoever's okay, I guess, well, they can release, but they still got to be under a watch due to the fact that whoever you have contact with, they would definitely have that virus. And you know, basic hygiene, keep washing your hands, wear a mask if you go into large public airports for one, because that's where your main people that are coming off planes, different ports. Yeah, just where you be what you did in COVID. Follow those same principles and you'll be fine. Don't take nothing for granted, like say, oh yeah, I'm okay here, I'm safe. And that's the time, boom, it happens. And then you're trying to do some walking, you'll be struggling breathing, all that, because your lungs are gone. Yeah, I read something about back in the day when coronavirus was out, it affects the lungs and all that. Yeah, so it's basically the same reason. So stay healthy, guys. Live one day at a time. Don't rush your life. We all want to get old, so your grandchildren will see you, right? Eventually. For some not probably. But we're here for a good time and a long time. But we're trying to maintain your, health, mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual health. And if you're into a program of some sort, stick with it. Don't let somebody say, oh, you're healed, you're good now. You can go back to the old ways. Yeah, don't do that. Just stay positive always, and you'll be good. Good to go. All right, the city Fort McMurray here, starting to wake up. As you can see, more vehicles about. $9:26 right now. So we walked about half an hour roughly.
We're half.
Huh?
We're half hour.
Yeah. A little calmer here in between these buildings. I thought it was a beaver there, but it's a little, like a block of wood. All right, almost home.
There's something.
Oh yeah. All right, everybody. If you're looking at the building here, that's where we live. And smack in the middle there, you'll see there should be a cam called. If you go on Facebook or YouTube, you will see my camera there. It's called Edgewater Cam. So it takes look at that, basically all that in the water, and it's you can zoom in. Just gotta use your phone, and you'll be able to zoom in stuff. So take a look at that under my channel. The channel is Jack and Genuine. And comment, like and comment and share, like this vlog I'm doing. Alright, so going now, so I'm gonna close it, and you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.